Wind warning. Issued at Tuesday 4:10 p.m. February 18, 2025. Issued by Environment and Climate Change Canada. Description. Strong winds that may cause damage are expected or occurring. Where East Vancouver Island, Nanoose Bay to Campbell River, Sunshine Coast, Saltery Bay to Powell River. When Wednesday morning to late Wednesday afternoon. Additional information. A low-pressure center will approach Vancouver Island tonight and Wednesday morning. As the low approaches, strong southeast winds of 70 km per hour gusting to 90 will develop. Winds will ease late Wednesday afternoon as the low moves over Vancouver Island and weakens. Hashtag. Damage to buildings, such as to roof shingles and windows, may occur. Loose objects may be tossed by the wind and cause injury or damage. High winds may result in power outages and fallen tree branches. Please continue to monitor alerts and forecasts issued by Environment Canada. To report severe weather, send an email to beakstorm@ec.gc.ca or post reports on X using hashtag BCStorm.